Keto is a smart ketone breathalyzer that will guide you through the keto diet. Its accompanying app includes meal plans, recipes, and, most importantly, what to order at Chipotle. Sadly for keto dieters, it's not all that easy to tell whether you're in ketosis. Even if you feel yourself morphing into an avocado. For anyone who wants reassurance that they're not eating low-carb and high-fat in vain, devices like urine ketone strips, breath analyzers, and blood prick meters can help. A new type of ketone breathalyzer launched today that's a little more high-tech than its existing counterparts. Keto is a smart analyzer that pairs with an app to provide guidance. Once you've connected the breathalyzer to your phone and the Keto app, you can then input your body measurements, age, and goals. As you use the breathalyzer, you'll get a keto level, which basically indicates where you are on the ketosis spectrum. The app will recommend keto-friendly recipes and lifestyle tips based on your stats. For instance, if you fall out of ketosis, the app may recommend high-fat foods or meals that can help get you back in the game. It also includes a database of foods that are scored based on their keto compliance and options at national fast food chains. You can geek out with and motivate fellow dieters thanks to a social feed of sorts where users can create public or private challenges with leaderboards where they can upload pics of their keto meals and talk to friends. There are other ketone breath analyzers, but I think ours is the first that pairs with an app and really guides you through a program that's available directly to consumers in a friendly, accessible way, Keto CEO Ray Wu tells Shape. In other breathalyzer news, this device is designed to help you hack your metabolism. Novel features aside, Keto functions similarly to ketonics and other existing ketone breathalyzers. It senses the level of acetone in your breath. When you're in ketosis, that level will be higher. That's why nail polish remover breath is one of the downsides of the diet. The sensor is highly selective for acetone. It's less likely to react to other compounds, which makes the device accurate, according to Wu. That said, research is limited on whether ketones can accurately be tracked through your breath, and measuring ketone levels through blood is the most proven option. Depending on how you feel about needles, getting competitive with ketosis, though, it could be the way to go. Keto is currently on Indiegogo with pre-order options starting at $99 and an estimated delivery of January 2019. In the meantime, check out our keto meal plan for beginners, which will also help you reach ketosis.